Hello, my name is Jeff Morgan and welcome to FNVI. The subject of this video is reports and widgets. So I'm going to quickly log into the developer training instance that we've got here, and I'm logging in as Jeff. Right, okay, so straight away we can see that down here there are no reports and widgets that's loaded up. So we can, of course, click here, report, to try creating one here, report and widgets, and this will come up. But I just want to show you a different way of doing than that. Right, in this top right hand corner over here we've got the sidebar menu, the right hand sidebar menu, and I want to click on to this report widget here. So we've already got some pre-set reports. I'm going to put one in there, like for example 14A, and there are the 14A reports and widgets, and I can put them on the screen. And if I wanted to change the order of them, click on this button, the edit order, move them around and click save, and there they will be. So that's very quickly how to add or remove. If I take those off, then they'll also disappear, as you can see, off the screen. So I'll leave those on for the time being. In fact, no, I won't change my mind, I'll remove them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new custom report, and the new custom report I want to add is a widget. You can do a report here, but I want to show you the widgets for the purpose of the exercise. Click on widget, and it's asking you for the criteria. So you can create widgets from all sorts of different criteria you can do from here. The one that I want to show, for example, today is on inspections, and I click on inspections and go next, and it's going to ask me what criteria. So do you want inspections by to and from date and status and focus? I'm going to drag across their status, and in the first instance I'm going to select not completed, and then I'm going to drag status across again, and because I want a second criteria of not assigned, and I'm going to drag across a focus, and the focus that I want it to be is by system. And of course I can select priority, milestone, loop, etc., but I'm going to put system, and I want system 14A as my focus. So I want a report of items not completed and not assigned to anyone in system 14. Go on next. So I want to type in here not complete, not assigned 14A, and this is how the widget is going to appear. But a background color, let's select it as blue, for example, and it's going to ask you to select an icon, and I'll just pick a random icon. If you, the user, can select which ones you actually want, and click on finish. Right, so you say, well, where's that gone? I've just put 14A back in there, and there it is there, not complete, not assigned 14A. It's a widget, and click on it and it appears here. Just want to quickly draw your attention to the fact that this little X here, these have no X on them because I didn't create them. The one with the little X here, I've created that, so it's my custom report, and I can delete them. Let's put those other ones up there so we can see how this all works. So there you go, not complete. I'm not quite happy with that order. I want to have the widgets on the top and the reports on the bottom, or I can change them around. Again, it's entirely up to myself. Let's go what's left, what's not complete, and save that order. That's how that does that. If I want to view that report, of course there's the one I've just created. Just click on view, and there's the report. Change it to 50. There they are. That's the view for that. And of course you can click here and to assign them, or you can export this report as in the standard way. Export to CSV. Click on export to CSV, and the Excel application will open up. There indeed, the Excel application's opened up, and you can play around and manipulate that in the usual way. Just minimize that, and return back to the dashboard, and there of course is our If I decide I want to get rid of those, just jump back up here. I don't want that report to show. Remove the report. I want to remove our other item. Again, you can do them from this area here. To get rid of that, click on the report widget up here and it disappears. So, my name is Jeff Morgan. For the purpose of this demonstration, reports and widgets, that's it complete.